side. Now, a third point to be aware of is how to define functions. So let's go ahead and define our own function. We're going to make a new input cell. We're going to type f, open square bracket, x underscore, close square bracket, and then colon equals x control 6, make an exponent 2. So f of x is set to x squared. So f is our function name. The square brackets surround those function arguments. The x underscore is a placeholder for something that has this specific pattern. The colon equals in Mathematica means a delayed assignment. So the right-hand side of the delayed assignment is what we want this function to do. Now, when you press Shift-Enter to evaluate it, you won't get a result because all we have done at this point is to define that function. But now we can ask Mathematica to compute, for example, f of 2. So we type f, open square bracket, 2, close square bracket, hit Shift-Enter, and we get the result of 4. Now you can also define multiple argument functions if you would like. So for example, let's type g, open square bracket, x underscore, and then comma y underscore, close that square bracket. We're going to use colon equals for this delayed assignment, and then we'll say x control 6 to the y power. Now if you enter g to the 10, comma 10, so g open square bracket 10 comma 10 close square bracket, and then hit shift enter, Mathematica returns that result of 10 billion. We can also use our own function with built-in functions like solve. So let's try solve f of x equal 36 comma x and close that square bracket, and then we should see that either 6 or negative 6 will satisfy this equation. So while Wolfram language commands are capitalized, you can see you can use any combination of upper and lower case letters for your own functions that you create as well.